Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to delete a notes document from the Volt app. So here I have a sample database in which I have a sample document and we'll try to delete this document from the Volt app. So let's go back to Volt app and here I will create a field and name it as UNID and give f_UNID as the ID name. This ID field we'll use to input the UNID which we'll be deleting from a button. So let's create a button here and name it as delete doc. And on the right pane, click on call a service and click on add service configuration. So now we'll create a service configuration to delete the document. So select this option, select from Domino database. Then select the database where the document resides which you want to delete. And then in service operation dropdown, select delete a document. Go to the inputs tab. Now we have to map source UNID with the target universal document ID. So in the source, select the UNID field and map it to the universal ID document ID on the target. Click on OK. So now our service configuration to delete the notes document is ready. Save the application, close the application and deploy the changes to the server. So now we'll launch the form. Now go back to the notes database and we'll copy the document UNID of this document and then we'll paste it in the UNID field. And now we click on delete document button and go back to the notes database, and when I refresh the view, the document has got deleted. So if I go back to the Volt app and if I try to click on the delete doc again and try to delete one more time, it will throw an error. The error is invalid universal ID because this document has been already deleted and it does not exist. To delete any notes document, the user using which you are trying to delete the document, for example Domino administrator, that user should have delete document access in the access control of that notes database. So if we see here, Domino administrator has delete document access. If I remove this access and now if I create a sample doc, I save this document and the sample doc is here. Now let's try to delete this. I will copy the UNID of this document and now I try to delete this document. It will throw an error. You are not authorized to perform that operation because the user with which I am trying to delete, it does not have the delete access on that database. So it is mandatory to have delete access for that user who is going to delete the notes document. In this demo, I am entering the UNID manually in this field. If you want, you can fetch all the UNIDs from the backend notes database to a dropdown, and accordingly you can provide a feature to delete the document. I hope you like this video. Thank you.